In this lesson, we're going to open up Oseis with a current project in view, and then open a second project in Oseis. So first, we'll go to our Oseis icon and open it. As you see, it takes a little bit of time. It is currently checking the internet to find any newer version of Oseis. Now, if you are not connected to the internet, or if the server it is trying to access is offline, it will not be able to find a current version. It takes a little bit longer when this happens, and you'll get a warning screen saying you're unable to connect to the internet. Now, if you were connected to the internet, you will have a window that comes up and says there is a newer version of Oseis, and will ask you if you want to update now. If you say no, it will simply ask you every time you open up Oseis. Now you see the error that came up, and it just said that it's unable to connect to the update server. And again, that could be for two different reasons. One, you don't have internet access, or the server is offline. First window that comes up is the start window. It'll automatically ask you to start in the last project that you were in, or you could select start without opening the database. If you're working in one project and always in that project, just go ahead and click start with the database. As you see, I have the Leatherman 3D project open, and I'm going to open up another project. I'm going to choose to open up, so we go File, Open, and in your file folder of OSD files, you'll have a list of different projects. You may have folders, or you may just see all of the projects in there. I'm going to choose to open up the Scipio 2D.osd. The .osd is your actual project file. As you see, this is a 2D line, and I just opened this other project. Add a word of caution: if you are using multiple projects at the same time, as you see, I have multiple projects. If I had pending files for Ammonite and I had pending files for Blocker 3D, all of them would be in pending. Even though I'm looking at the Scipio 2D project, any and all pending files will show up in this project. Just a word of caution. That concludes our lesson today.